To use NovaClick, start by downloading and installing their extension from the Chrome Web Store. Connect your Telegram account to the extension, activating the power button to enable its features. Configure custom presets for quick buy buttons, assigning specific values to each button representing the amount of SOL you want to buy. These buttons will appear on Fudden or BullX, streamlining your purchases. NovaClick offers a range of trading tools, including sniper trading for maximizing profits, copy trading to mimic successful traders, migration sniping to quickly acquire newly migrating tokens, and limit orders for automated trades at your desired price. If you encounter issues, consult the troubleshooting guide on their website. Remember that NovaClick is designed to be secure, but always be cautious with using trading bot. Transaction fees will apply based on the Solana blockchain network, and you can trade directly from your mobile device through Telegram. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, NovaClick can significantly enhance your Solana trading experience.